Madam Peco Africa, they here. If I never dance for you, may you know say no be Madam Peco Africa original be this. I must shake body for you because now good news I carry can give you. Ha! We there for PrimeRose Court, and PrimeRose Court now one standard and ogbonge and professional service estate where they inside New Banana Highland. You dey hear New Banana Highland all this while. Now PrimeRose Court be this, and you know why you supposed to get 1+ for here because here recreational center day, perimeter fencing day, every every food inside here, and you can't get your vote certificate of occupancy. What say they find again? You know say one plot, now 12 million naira. See now, this is the perimeter fencing going on. We go soon finish. Quickly call Madam Peco Africa on 090-3429-6519. Quickly call me, make come collect your plot, because if you don't come quick, if I tell you say you don't jump from 12 million enter 18 or 20 million, make you not say I lie you, because now like this we there for September, by December you no go get them for 12 million. So make you quickly call me, you dey hear me so. Follow me now, make them see by yourself. And you say na joke, you dey joke here.
Oh, na true talk. Na true talk in the yarn na so.
You see
as na dey hear am so. By December, something don top am.